Hello, my name is Aryan Mukherjee. I'm in 8th grade in Jeffrey Trail Middle School, and this is my project, Diagnosing Coronary Artery Disease using AI Ethically. The material I used for this project was Spider, which is an interactive Python software on a Windows OS computer. The problem I wanted to solve when I made this project was to solve the problem of diagnosing coronary artery disease, or CAD in short, before symptoms are too aggravated. Also, I wanted to solve the problem of AI being used unethically by finding a way to derive and deliver unbiased results. The methods I used to make this project were that I built an AI program that leverages a series of questions to determine the risk of being diagnosed with coronary artery disease based on clinically established coronary artery disease symptoms. These questions are asked using the text-to-speech capability and responded by the patient verbally. The speech is recorded by the program, and that is interpreted to usable text by means of speech recognition, which is a form of AI. The risk factors for my project are uncommon skin coloring, angina, which is a crushing pain behind the chest, and cholesterol growth, which is determined by smoking history, a family history of heart disease, BMI classification, job stress, and diabetes. My next steps for this project are to add computer vision to visually detect uncommon skin coloring and also to accommodate finger-spelled answers in ASL by deaf patients. So who's interested in my project? Cardiologists would be interested in my findings because there would be a decrease in the number of patients visiting the office in person, and that is very important in pandemics like COVID-19. The patients will also have greater access to a diagnosis of CAD, and cardiologists can then focus on other important tasks that AI or nurses cannot perform. This program is a helping hand for the doctors and nurses. And now a quick demo of my project.
Welcome to the coronary artery disease detection test. You will be asked a series of questions whose answers will determine the probability of you having coronary artery disease. Make sure you speak as loud as possible, otherwise I may not hear you, and the test will need to be restarted. Wait for the beep before you answer any question. What color does your skin look like? Say blue, purple, gray, or normal.
Normal.
You said, normal. Risk of heart disease is 2 out of 3. If you have a risk of 2, that indicates you have a moderate risk of heart disease.
This demo I have shown you is only a portion of my project, with many more questions to come. I hope you enjoyed my program that diagnoses coronary artery disease using AI ethically.